Thank you so much, Beth, for taking out the time and speaking with me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
I am. Thank you.
All right, sounds good. So, yeah, let's go ahead and start with how did you learn about web accessibility?
I think mostly from interacting with people on LinkedIn who
Mhm.
need these services. I also work with children who have disabilities, so I've been interested in following creators that give advice on how to make your postings more accessible.
Yeah, got it. All right, sounds good. And what did you find difficult about accessibility at first?
Well, looking through my website, there were a lot of things that I knew needed to be changed, but I wasn't really sure how to go about it or
Hmm.
how to know when I had done enough. So it was
Got it.
kind of overwhelming.
Oh, okay. All right. And why did you choose accessibility checker?
Well, I think that I did a search for something that would scan my whole website,
Mm-hmm.
and it looked like that was available, but there was, of course, a cost for it. So I went to Wix because I created my site with Wix. And I
Okay.
went to see if they offered anything. And what they offered was Accessibility Checker.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So I went ahead and used that product, and it was covered by the payments that I make for my website anyway. So that was
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, and it was quite easy to use. So I didn't really have any reason to look for anything else.
All right. Perfect. So you were having a wonderful time with it.
Yeah, I liked how it just kind of walked me through. Like I said, there would be so many things on a page that I could imagine might
Mm,
need fixing, but it would just kind of walk me through. Like, now this image, can you make a description? Now this button, can you make some text so screen readers can tell you what that button is, and
yeah.
things like that. And it just walked me through each page like that, and it really didn't take that much time.
All right. That sounds perfect. All right, Beth. So those were my questions for you for today. And thank you so much for taking out the time to speak with me today. Yeah. So I'll let you go and you have a wonderful day ahead.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye.